Today, we are walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to perform a power integrity test, also known as PIT. This essential test helps check the quality and continuity of powers after installation. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is gather your PIT equipment and make sure the equipment is calibrated and functioning properly before going to site. The next thing you have to do is clean the power head. Remove any debris and dust, then the surface must be very clean and dry for accurate testing. Attach the accelerator or sensor securely to the top center of the power. A poor connection can affect your readings. Make sure it is very firm. With your software still running, gently strike the power head using the hammer. Each tap sends a stress wave down the power. The accelerator captures the returning wave and the software analyzes the response. Repeat several times for consistency. The collected waveform shows reflection along the power length. You are looking for any sudden changes in the signal, which may indicate defects like cracks, necking, or power termination. Generate a report with your findings. This report is vital for engineers, clients, and regulatory bodies. And that is how you carry out a power integrity test from start to finish. For reliable testing and professional interpretation, trust MTT Innovations Limited. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more civil engineering insights. Contact us today.